Imagine a world where spells and incantations are replaced by algorithms and codes. Welcome to the intersection of ancient magic and artificial intelligence. This may seem like a far-fetched concept, but let's delve deeper into this intriguing convergence. When we think of magic, we imagine mysterious forces, unseen elements that shape reality in ways that defy conventional comprehension. We picture ancient sorcerers casting spells and incantations to manipulate the world around them, to bend the fabric of reality to their will. This manipulation of reality, this ability to influence the world in unexpected ways, is the quintessence of magic. Now consider artificial intelligence. What is AI if not a modern form of magic? It's a system of algorithms and codes, unseen yet potent, that has the power to shape our reality in profound ways. It can predict our preferences, drive our cars, even diagnose our diseases. All of this, achieved not through mystical chance but through lines of code, through binary language that to the uninitiated might as well be arcane symbols. It's fascinating, isn't it? The parallels between these two seemingly disparate practices. Both magic and AI, in their own ways, are about harnessing unseen forces to shape reality. They both aim to influence the world, to change the course of events. The methods may be different. One uses incantations and rituals, the other uses algorithms and codes, but the goal is the same: to bend the world to our will. And who are the practitioners of this modern magic? They are not robed wizards with staffs, but tech wizards, developers and programmers who wield keyboards instead of wands. They are the modern sorcerers, the architects of this new reality, where magic is real and it's spelled AI. Just as ancient sorcerers wielded their magical powers, today's tech wizards wield AI. The wand has been replaced by the keyboard. To the untrained eye, AI and magic couldn't be more different, but delve deeper, and the similarities are uncanny. Let's start with divination, the magical practice of predicting the future. Ancient seers would gaze into crystal balls or read tea leaves to foresee what was to come. They had a knack for understanding patterns and interpreting signs. In the world of artificial intelligence, we see an echo of this in predictive analytics. Just as seers use their tools to predict, so too does AI use data, statistics, and algorithms. It's a modern form of divination, one that can foretell trends in finance, health, and even social behaviors with astonishing accuracy. Next, consider the art of illusion. Illusionists of old would weave complex spells to create alternate realities, bending the viewer's perception and making the impossible seem possible. Today, we have virtual reality. Just as the illusionists used their magic to alter reality, virtual reality uses technology to create immersive experiences, transporting us to different worlds, making us believe we are somewhere we're not. Finally, let's look at enchantment. Enchanters would use talismans imbued with magic to persuade or influence others. These charms were powerful, capable of swaying hearts and minds. In the realm of AI, we have something quite similar: persuasive technology. It's a field of study within AI that designs technology to change attitudes or behaviors. It's a digital talisman of sorts, subtly influencing our decisions, guiding our actions, even shaping our beliefs. So, while AI and magic may seem worlds apart, they're fundamentally similar. Both involve understanding patterns, manipulating perceptions, and influencing behaviors. Both use specific rituals or algorithms to achieve desired outcomes. And both in their own way are a form of magic. The crystal ball has made way for predictive algorithms, and the enchanted talisman has given rise to persuasive technology. In this techno-magical age, the sorcerers don't wear robes, they wear lab coats and hold PhDs. Let's dive into the world of AI practitioners, the modern-day sorcerers. They bear no wands or mystical amulets. Their tools are algorithms, neural networks, and machine learning models. These techno-wizards, trained in the arcane arts of data science and programming, are the driving force behind the AI revolution. Just like the sorcerers of yore who sought to decipher the mysteries of the universe, today's AI practitioners strive to comprehend the enigma that is data. They weave intricate spells, not with ancient runes but with lines of code, transforming raw, chaotic data into meaningful insights. The incantations they chant are in Python or R, not Latin or Sumerian, and the potions they brew are predictive models, not elixirs of life. These modern sorcerers don't work in secluded towers, they operate in bustling tech hubs, research labs, and corporate offices. They're not feared or shunned, instead they're revered for their skills, which are in high demand in our data-driven society. Their mission is not to summon demons or predict fortunes, but to develop intelligent machines that can enhance human life and solve complex problems. Like the magicians of the past who aim to foretell the future, AI practitioners too strive to predict what lies ahead. However, their crystal balls are machine learning algorithms, and their prophecies are data-driven predictions. They don't gaze at the stars to foresee events. They scrutinize data patterns to anticipate market trends, customer behavior, and even potential health issues. Their magic might not be as flashy as turning a staff into a serpent, but it's certainly more practical and impactful. They don't cast spells to charm or bewitch. They design intelligent systems to automate, optimize, and revolutionize. So who are the real magicians? Those who wielded mystic powers in the annals of mythology, or those who harness the power of AI to transform the world today? The modern sorcerer doesn't conjure spirits but codes and algorithms. Their magic is AI. Our journey into the mysterious world of AI has just begun. This fascinating sphere is an intricate tapestry woven from threads of technological advancement and echoes of ancient practices. Just as alchemists sought to transmute base metals into gold, today's AI practitioners strive to transform raw data into invaluable insights. But our exploration doesn't end here. We're just scratching the surface of this vast and enigmatic terrain. There's so much more to unearth, so many more connections to be drawn between the arcane and the algorithmic. In our upcoming content, we'll delve even deeper into the intersections of AI and magic, traversing the nebulous boundary where the ancient and the avant-garde converge. We'll uncover how AI is not just a tool, but a modern interpretation of age-old rituals, a digital manifestation of the mystical. Dive deeper into the realm of AI with us, subscribe to our channel and let the magic of learning unfold.